Hello guys, I'm Krishna. Today I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters record of Vit-Ap University. Today we'll look at a Python topic which is a function of string that is capitalized. So what capitalized function does is it converts the first letter or first alphabet of the string to uppercase and rest it converts to the lowercase. Like let me write it down. What upper function does is it converts every letter, every alphabet of a string to the uppercase. So just keep it in mind. People usually get confused in both of these functions, capitalize and upper. So let's take an example. Let's define a string. Just take a minute, try to figure out what should be the output of the string and comment it out. Comment your answer in the comment section. We'll try to look at it. And please, it's my request to mention timestamp in your comment. It makes us easy for our further reference. So yeah, you have 5 seconds. You can pause the video and answer your answer in the chat, in the comment section. Okay, so let's look at the output. The output should be, the V is capital because capitalize converts first to the capital one, capital first alphabet to the capital letter. And look here, this C and this C, it converted them to the lowercase. This is the use of capitalized. If we used dot upper method over here instead of capitalized, so let's look at that. Dot upper changes every alphabet of the string to the uppercase. There is one more method in this string, which is called lower. So let's take a look what lower does. It's kind of similar. Most of you might have already guessed it. So take a look at it. It converts every alphabet to the lowercase. So it was nice to interact with you guys, and I'll see you again. If you have any doubt, just put it in the comment section. We'll try to look at it. Thank you. Bye for now. This was Krishna signing. Thank you.